So, very good evening, all of you. Hope I am audible to you all. Good evening, Vijay. Good evening, Bajrangi. Okay, am I audible? So, anyhow, my dear friends, sorry for the delay. Actually, there was some technical issue. Anyhow, so let us continue with the Maha revision. आपको पता है कि हम लोग Maha revision कर रहे हैं, especially for the mechanical students. Very good evening. Very good evening. Especially for the mechanical students के लिए Maha revision कर रहे हैं हम लोग। और ये महा रिवीजन में हम लोगों ने कुछ टॉपिक देखे हैं। आपको मैं बता दूं कि वेंसडे सॉरी यस विजय, यस बजरंगी, ओके। मैं आपको बता दूं कि मंडे, ट्यूसडे और वेंसडे, ये तीनों दिन जो है एग्जैक्टली 11 से 12 और 12 से 1, 11 से 12 आपको टेक्निकल सब्जेक्ट के और 12 से 1 जो है 11 सुपर क्वेश्चंस आपको कराए जाएंगे। ओके, 12 से 1 जो है वो मेरा एप्टीट्यूड का होगा, 12 to 12:30। तो ये क्लासेस भी आप, ये प्रीमियम होगा, इसे मिस मत कीजिए। फॉर द थर्सडे, फ्राइडे और सैटरडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे एंड सैटरडे, ये 3 दिन जो है 9 PM विल बी हैविंग द लाइव सेशंस, ओके, द रिवीजन। तो यहाँ पे हम लोग क्वेश्चनाइज कर लेंगे, ओके, क्वेश्चंस करेंगे और यहाँ पे जो है कंप्लीट रिवीजन करेंगे 9 PM, ओके। तो मूविंग फर्दर, वेलकम टू द लीड गेट। आपको पता ही है कि ये महा रिवीजन जो है इट कैन बी कंप्लीटेड वेरी सून, ओके। ये पूरा रिवीजन हम लोग बहुत जल्दी कंप्लीट करेंगे। कब तक हम लोग ने टारगेट रखा है रिवीजन कंप्लीट करने का, वो भी मैं आपको बताऊंगा। ये पूरे रिवीजन के लिए वी आर गाइडिंग यू आउट V4 फैकल्टीज, दैट इज मीनू गुप्ता मैम and Maruti Tiwari sir, both will be handling the technical part, or Rohit Sinha sir and Amulya Ratan, that's me, will be taking the care of non-technical part. Okay, non-technical means Rohit Sinha sir maths और मैं Amulya Ratan aptitude. Okay, तो anyhow moving further, मैं आपको ये भी बता दूं कि ये जो है महा रिवीजन, sir speak in English, Chandu, okay Chandu, if you want I can speak in Telugu as well, Chandu, don't worry, your understanding is important to me. Chandu, I'll be speaking in English, but some cases I'll be speaking in Hindi as well. Wherever you feel that I am speaking in Hindi, you are not able to understand, I'll speak in English and Hindi both. Okay, you are not able to understand, you can say to me, just mention in the chat, I'll speak in Telugu as well. So this Maha revision for the GATE 2021 student, that has been already started from 12th October and it will continue up till 31st January. We have kept the target, we will do the complete revision, the complete GATE syllabus, okay, technical as well as non-technical for the mechanical students, okay. So moving further, मैं आपको बता दूं कि use my code, that is AR10 whenever you are taking plus subscription on Unacademy. Okay, whenever you are taking the plus subscription, use this code, because if you are taking 12 months subscription, no doubt the fees is 25,000. If you are using my code, the fees will be only 22,500 for the 12 months, and if you are taking 24 month subscription, the fees is 30,000, okay. And if you use my code, that is AR10, this will come directly in 27,000 rupees. So use this code maximum, and even you can share this code with your friends so that they can also get benefited. And let me tell you, if you are taking subscription this 20th of this month, the subscription fees is going to be increased. So as soon as possible you can take the subscription so that you will get the benefited. Before there is a fees hike, you can take the benefit, okay. So moving further, see, we are going to discuss today the revision of averages. So randomly, what is average? Anyone who can say what is average? Little bit faster I am going because it's a revision part. What is average? Anyone who can say? चंदू, बजरंगी, विजय, कोई भी बता सकता है एवरेज क्या है? तो नो डाउट सर, क्लॉक्स का गेन और लूज, पॉल आई सेड ऑलरेडी, क्लॉक्स वी हैव कंप्लीटेड, गेन और लूज पार्ट, पॉल वी हैव कंप्लीटेड. You want me to repeat it? I can repeat here, don't worry Paul, I can repeat it once again. Equal distribution, yes. What is average? Average is exactly equal distribution of the given values. No doubt the formula sum of observation by number of observation. Yes Vijay, yes exactly. फर्स्ट टाइम यू आर अटेंडिंग शुभम, ओके कोई नहीं कोई नहीं. तो सम ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन बाय नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन, दिस फॉर्मूला एक्चुअली इट इज वैलिड इन सम केसेस इन द केस ऑफ एवरेज, not exactly the arithmetic mean, Vijay, I can say you, because this is the formula for actually the mean, but average uses this formula, means everywhere this formula won't be valid. Where which all places it won't be valid, that I'll tell you later on. Paul, shall I repeat? Okay, Chandu, just yes, sum of observation by number of observation, that is actually the formula for finding arithmetic mean. But average and arithmetic mean are different. What is the difference? You can see in the previous videos of averages of mine. What is the difference? I explained it clearly. Okay. So here not everywhere, but some places it will be different. Okay, Chandu. And Chandu, let me tell you, Paul का कहना है कि एक बार repeat करना है. Okay, Paul, I can repeat you, gain or lose, gain or lose. I can repeat this. Okay, whenever we are discussing the chain rule, Paul, जब भी मैं chain rule आपको बताऊंगा, I'll repeat it once again. Till the time you can see the previous video, Paul. If possible, see the previous video. Okay, Paul, shall we proceed? Okay, so sum of observation by number of observation. Okay, this is valid. Okay, very good. Not all the places, but some places it is valid. So equal distribution of the given values. Okay, Paul. So here see three members are there. Let's see. Let's say that Paul is having 20 rupees and Ratan is having 25 rupees and Chandu is having 30 rupees. Okay, and we have to distribute this equally. We have to distribute this equally. So if we have to distribute equally, means what we should do? If I will take this 5 rupees from Ratan and give to Paul, I think Ratan will become 20 and Paul will become 25. So this we can't do. So only we can do is we can remove 5 from the Chandu and give to Paul. So from here, if you do -5 and this +5, no doubt it will be 25 equally distributed. So what will be the average here? Average will be 25. Average का मतलब है equal distribution. After doing the equal distribution, what each person is holding, that is called as average of the whole group. Okay, equal distribution करने के बाद each person के पास कितना होगा, that is called as average of the whole group. Clear? Remaining actually maximum we use the same formula as Chandu said, that sum of observation by number of observation. We can use this formula, not everywhere. I'll tell you which are the places where this formula won't be valid. That is in the further classes when I'll be taking time and distance, when I'll be explaining you average speed. तब मैं ये आपको बता दूंगा कि वहां पे कैसे ये एवरेज का ये वाला फॉर्मूला वैलिड नहीं हो पाता है. तो मूविंग फर्दर, remaining all the place I can use sum of observation by number of observation. So here there is a question that 1 2 3 4 5 up till 50, what will be the average for this? So what we have to do, we have to add all the numbers from 1 to 50, am I right, and divide it by 50, because 50 observation will be there. So if we add all the numbers from 1 to 50, what will be the total? Come on anyone. अगर मैं 1 से लेकर 50 तक सारे नंबर को ऐड कर दूं तो सम कितना होगा? नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन तो पता है हमें, that it will be 50, so we'll divide by 50, but first we have to add all this number. So what will be the total sum? 1 से लेकर 50 तक. Very good Vijay, exactly. May I know Vijay how? So Vijay says that the answer sum should be 1275. Very good Abhishek, exactly 1275. Can I ask how? As I'll ask how they will give me the formula, that is sum of n observation is always equal to, yes Bajrangi, 1275. See Abhishek gave already, n into n plus 1 by 2. Yes, exactly Abhishek. Rajat, 1275. Paul, n into n plus 1 by 2. Yes, very good Vijay, very good. But I would like to know why this formula. See, I am not saying that you are wrong. You are correct, 100% you are correct. But I want to know how this formula. Because being confident on formula, actually it is maths. Knowing the logic behind formula is aptitude. That is the reason I am asking you why it is n into n plus 1. Why not n plus 2? You are correct, but I want to know the reason. Okay, so Rajat says that it is AP, arithmetic progression. Very good. So in arithmetic progression, the sum of n terms is equal to, come on Rajat, shall I say one thing? एक ने पूछा मुझसे कि घर कहाँ है, मैंने कहा कि मंदिर के सामने है। फिर उसने पूछा मंदिर कहाँ है, मैंने कहा घर के सामने है। फिर उसने पूछा भाई दोनों कहाँ है, मैंने कहा आमने सामने है। So I am asking this formula, you are saying one more formula, that it is arithmetic progression. If I'll ask you why that formula, again one more formula. Come out from formulas, Rajat. Come out from formulas. Using formula, actually it is maths. Okay, come out from formulas. So anyhow, my dear friend, let me tell you how this formula. I think you must have heard about Gauss theorem. Gauss. So Gauss, when he was in 5th standard, the same question was asked to him that if 1 to 50 all the numbers to be added, what will be the total? So what he thought, I have to add all this number 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus so on, so on, so on, so on, 49 plus 50. All the numbers I have to add. Some answer I'll get. Yes, exactly, Paul. Very good, very good. So some answer I'll get. Let that answer be equal to X. Again he thought, if I add like this 50 plus 49 plus 48 plus 47 plus dash 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 2 plus 1, whether I'll get same answer or different answer. So this answer is also equal to same only, X. Then what he did, he added this 2. X plus X, it is 2X equal to, okay, 50 plus 1, how much you'll get? 50 plus 1, 51. 49 plus 2, 51. 48 plus 3, 51. 47 plus 4, 51. So everywhere you will be getting 51 only. How many times this 51 will come? Because 50 such numbers are there, it means 50 times I'll get 51. Am I right? ये 51 कितनी बार आएगा? 50 बार आएगा. तो 50 बार 51, 50 times 51. So what is the X value? It is 50 into 51 by 2. So 2 ones and 2 25, 25 51s is equal to 1275. No doubt, teacher by seeing this came to know, okay, for n natural numbers we can use directly n into n plus 1 by 2. Yes, exactly, Paul. So 51 51 everywhere we are getting, so it became n into n plus 1 by 2. My dear friend, you have every right to use the formula if you know the logic behind it, because just using formula, actually it is maths. Knowing the logic behind formula is aptitude. So anyhow, my dear friend, this is sum, but average is sum of observation divided by number of observation. So if we want average, this should be divided by number of observation. How many observation are there? N observation are there. So n and n get cancelled. What is left over? N plus 1 by 2. Means 50 natural numbers, what will be the average? 50 plus 1 by 2. 51 by 2, that is 25.5. 100 natural numbers, what will be the average? 100 natural numbers, the average is 101 by 2. 101 by 2 means 50.5. 63 natural numbers, what will be the average? Come on, answer. 63 natural numbers, what will be the average? 63 natural numbers, what will be the average? Anyone who can say? Yes, exactly, Abhishek. Very good. 63 natural numbers means 64 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 64 by 2, that is 32. Exactly. So if I say n natural numbers means n plus 1 by 2, directly you can do. Yes, exactly, Paul. Clear to all? Yes. Okay. तो नेचुरल नंबर के केस में हम लोग डायरेक्टली ये फॉर्मूला यूज करते हैं n plus 1 by 2. Very good. No doubt one of the students stopped me here. He said that, sir, first you are saying that use the logical approach is called as aptitude. Don't use the formula. Again, you are only deriving one formula and saying use this formula, get the answer. Whether I should use logic or formula. I said that behind this formula, I said you already the logic. He said, no, sir, there is some logic. I asked him what is the logic, because I am a good learner even. So I asked him what is the logic. He explained me that, sir, for 50 natural numbers, you are saying 50 plus 1 by 2, 51 by 2, 25.5 is the answer. I say, if I write all the numbers from 1 to 50, which number will come exactly in the middle? I said exactly in the middle, not one number, two numbers will come exactly in the middle, that is 25 and 26. He asked me, okay, what is in the middle of 25 and 26? I said 25.5. He said that is only the answer. Exactly middle observation is the answer. Very good, excellent, superb, marvelous, genius, extraordinary. But when the gap between the observation is equal everywhere and all the observation are written either in ascending order or descending order, then middle observation you can call as average. Are you getting me? Is it clear? अगर गैप सेम है हर जगह और सारे ऑब्जर्वेशन या तो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर या डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिखे हो तब मिडिल ऑब्जर्वेशन को हम एवरेज बोल सकते हैं। जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल प्रीवियस में यहाँ पे देखिए गैप सेम था, 20 to 25 सेम गैप, 25 to 30 सेम गैप, 5 गैप ओनली. So exactly middle observation 25 is the average. Middle observation we can call as average if gap is maintained equally. Now my dear friend, can you tell me if I write the number like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So what will be the average here? What will be the average here? Gap is maintained equally. Come on, what will be the average? So what is exactly, because gap is equally maintained everywhere, plus 2 means exactly middle number will be the average. So what is in the middle? 6. So average of this is no doubt 6. Yes, exactly Abhishek. Very good, very good. If I, yes Sunny. If I give you, yes Paul, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. If I give you up till here, then here you will be getting two numbers in the middle, that is 6 and 8. What is in the middle of 6 and 8? What is in the middle of 6 and 8? 7. So average of this is 7. Middle observation you can call as average if gap is maintained equally. Are you getting me? Now my dear friend, very good Sunny. Now my dear friend, what this number you call it as? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What you call this number as? इस number को आप क्या बुलाते हैं? What do you call this number as? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You call this number as even number. How many even number I have written here? कितने even number मैंने यहाँ लिखा है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, exactly Abhishek. Yes, even number. So 5 even number. When I am writing 5 even number, our average is coming 6. Now here how many even number I have written? Here 6 even number I am writing. Then our average is coming 7. 5 even number, 6 is the average. 6 even number, 7 is the average. 100 even number, 101 is the average. So n even number, n plus 1 is the average. Are you getting me? Is it clear? Natural number case, n plus 1 by 2 is the average. Even number case, n plus 1 is the average. Clear है? समझ में आ रहा है? Now, if I write the odd number like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Gap is maintained equally everywhere. Plus 2 gap. So exactly middle number is the average. What is in the middle? 5. So average of this will come 5. If I write 1, 3, 5, then in the middle is 3. So average of this will come 3. Yes, exactly Chandu. Very good. So Chandu, please forward the video. I think in the middle you got some call. So you move back. Now your reply is coming even. So when I'm writing 5 odd number, average is coming 5. When I'm writing 3 odd number, average is coming 3. What does it mean? 5 odd number, 5 is the average. 3 odd number, 3 is the average. 100 odd number, 100 is the average. So n odd number, n is the average. In the case of odd number, n is the average. In the case of even number, n plus 1 is the average. And in the case of natural number, n plus 1 by 2 is the average. I think I am clear to you. Anyone having any doubt, query, you can ask me. Even number, n plus 1 is the average. Odd number, n itself is the average. Where n means number of observation. N is not the last term. Don't get confused. N means number of observation. N का मतलब number of observation है. N last term नहीं है. Clear? Now, my dear friend, one of the student asked me, sir, regarding sum of natural number, you said some story of Gauss. What about if I have to find the formula for sum of even number? What about if I have to find the formula for sum of even number? Now my dear friend, we know that average is equal to sum of observation by number of observation. Okay. Can we write this formula as average into number of observation is the total sum? We can write like this. Now you want the sum of even number. What is the average of even number you are getting? The average of even number you are getting as n plus 1. n plus 1 आपको average आ रहा है. जब number of observation n है, तो sum of even number क्या बनेगा? n into n plus 1. This is the formula for sum of even number. You can derive your formula by your own whenever it is required, because you are Aryabhatta, you are Gauss. No sir, I want sum of odd number formula. Sum of odd number. So odd number, average what you are getting? Average what you are getting? Average you are getting n. When number of observation is also n. So n into n, it becomes n square. This is the formula for sum of odd number. Sum of odd number. You can derive your formula by your own whenever it is required. I think I am clear to you. Anyone having any doubt, any queries? Chandu, anyone who want me to speak in some? Yes, exactly, Paul. Anyone who want me to speak in Telugu or any other language? I can say Hindi. Bajrangi, it's clear. Abhishek, clear, good. So sum of even number, we made the formula, that is n into n plus 1. And sum of odd number, we made the formula, that is n square. Okay, further if you want, you can take the screenshot for all this. Okay, now my dear friend, natural number, what is the average? I said in the case of natural number, n plus 1 by 2 is the average. I said in the case of even number, I said n plus 1 is the average, and in the case of odd number, I said n itself is the average. Am I right? Where n means number of observation, n is not the last term. But let me tell you, these formulas are valid only when it is given from starting. Means natural number should be given 1 onwards, even number 2 onwards, odd number 1 onwards, then only these formulas are valid. If it is not given from starting, these formulas are not valid. Are you getting me? Is it clear? Chandu, Ardhamaindi? I am asking Chandu in Telugu whether he understood or not. Rajat, yes, very good. So these formulas are valid only when it is given from starting. Okay, if it is not given from starting, then these formulas are not valid. Like for example, consider they have given all the natural numbers. They ask the question, all the natural numbers in between 500 to 800, what will be the average of it? They are asking all the natural numbers in between 500 to 800, what will be the average of it? So though it is a natural number, I cannot use here n plus 1 by 2 because it is not given from starting. So how to sort this out? So let us understand, they are asking all the natural numbers in between 500 to 800. They are using the word in between, means 500 and 800 is excluded. ये लोग in between word use कर रहे हैं, so 500 and 800 is excluded. So what is the first observation you will write? If I am not wrong, first observation will come 501, then 502, 503, 504, equal gap you will maintain. Am I right? Last observation you will write 799. Because you are maintaining gap equally, exactly middle number will be the average. How to find that middle observation? First observation plus last observation by 2. That is 501 plus 799 by 2. 501 plus 799, if I am not wrong, it will be 1300. 1300 by 2 means it will come how much? 650. So average of all natural numbers in between 500 to 800, the answer is 650. Is it clear? Clear? Consider they ask all the even number. So first even number, what you'll write? 502. Then you'll write 504, 506, 508, 510, 512. Equal gap you'll maintain. The last observation you'll write 798. Because you are maintaining gap equally, exactly middle observation will be the average. So how to find that middle observation? First observation plus last observation by 2. That is 502 plus 798 by 2. 502 plus 798, again you will get 1300. 1300 by 2 means answer will be 650. The middle observation 650 will be the average. Consider they ask all the odd numbers. Then first odd number 501, then 503, 505, 507, 509. Equal gap you are maintaining. Last observation 799. So middle observation 650 is the average. Middle observation you can call as average if gap is maintained equally. But my dear friend, let me tell you, I am not saying like that. Whether they are asking you natural number, even number, odd number, answer will be same. I am not saying like that. Don't get confused. मैंने ऐसा नहीं कहा है कि जब चाहे वो नेचुरल नंबर पूछें, इवन नंबर पूछें, ऑड नंबर पूछें, आंसर सेम आएगा. ऐसा मैंने कोई स्टेटमेंट नहीं दिया है. Are you getting me? Here you are getting the answer same. Always you will not get the same answer. It totally depends on first and last observation. Like for example, if they ask all the natural numbers in between 301 to 500, what is the average of it? So in the case of natural number, first observation what you will write? 302, and last observation what you will write? 499. So 302 plus 499 by 2, you will get the middle observation. Again, in the case of even number, what will happen? First observation, no doubt it will be 302, but last observation will be 498. Be careful, answer will be different here. In the case of odd number, first observation itself will be 303 and last observation 499. So it totally depends on first and last observation what exactly is the middle observation, which can be called as average if gap is maintained equally. Is it clear? If gap is not maintained equally, there is no relation between the observation. Very simple, add all the observation and divide by number of observation to get the average. Clear to all? Yes? किसी को कोई डाउट है तो पूछ लीजिए. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. ఏదైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే అడగొచ్చు చందు. Okay. So my dear friend, if no doubt, let us proceed further. No doubt, average direct question up till today's date they have not given in the GATE exam, but it will be useful to you in DI topic, that is data interpretation topic. That is the reason I am saying to you, and some question also we'll see. No doubt, more further question, as I said you that from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, okay, these 3 days, super questions we'll discuss that, okay. So, but still some question we can discuss here. So here is the question. Tell me the answer for this. Anyone? A class with 20 students has the average age as 16 years. When the teacher is included in the group, the average becomes 18 years. Find the age of the teacher. Come on, very simple question. What is the teacher's age? Anyone who can reply? बीस बच्चे हैं क्लास में, उनकी एवरेज दे रखी है इन्होंने 16 साल. जब एक टीचर को भी उस ग्रुप में इंक्लूड कर दिया जाता है, जोड़ दिया जाता है, तो 18 साल एवरेज होती है. सो अभिषेक सेज दैट 58 शुड बी आंसर. चंदू, नो डाउट, वेरी गुड चंदू. Abhishek says that 58 years should be the answer. Okay, very good. So no doubt my dear friend, हमने देखा है, we have seen that average is equal to sum of observation by number of observation. Vikas also says 58, Sunny also says 58. Very good. इतने सारे लोग 58 बोल रहे हैं तो 58 ही सही होना चाहिए. देखते हैं. So average is equal to sum of observation by number of observation. I even said you that this formula can be written as average into number of observation is the total sum. Am I right? So my dear friend, initially what was the average given? Initially the average was 16 years. So average was 16 years. In that, how many members are there? 20 students, means number of observation is 20. So 16 into 20, if I am not wrong, it will come somewhere around total sum as 320. Am I right? Next average is given how much? 18. In that, how many members are there? 20 students and 1 teacher, means total number of observation becomes 21. So 18 into 21, if I am not wrong, it will come somewhere around 378. Am I right? 18 into 21 is somewhere around 378. Okay. In this total, only 20 students are there. And in this total, the same 20 students as well as 1 teacher is there. It means difference between these two is the age of the teacher. So how much is the difference? So no doubt 58 is the difference. So 58 is the age of the teacher. Very good. Sunny, Vikas, Abhishek. But this was based on formula. How about the logical approach? Shall I say the logical approach? So let us understand. See, always we cannot be using formulas and calculators because that will be completely maths. So let us understand in the aptitude approach. What is the meaning of average? I said average means what? I said average means equal distribution. Am I right? Okay. Now let us understand. 20 students are there. Their average is given 16 years. Means all the 20 students, it is equally distributed, 16, 16, 16, 16 to everyone. Am I right? Now, just for example, if I say teacher also enters with 16. Teacher also came with 16. Do you think that average will change? Yes or no? यहाँ पे 20 स्टूडेंट्स का एवरेज 16 था, मतलब सब में बराबर बटा था 16, 16, 16. अगर टीचर भी 16 लेकर अंदर आते तो क्या एवरेज चेंज होता? नो. वेरी गुड विकास. नो, it won't change because everyone is 16, teacher is also 16. Yes, Sunny. So everyone will be 16. So average will remain as 16. But as teacher came inside, very good Paul, very good Abhishek. So as teacher came inside, average became 18. Means everyone changed from, yes, exactly Chandu. Everyone changed from 16 to 18. Am I right? Everyone changed from 16 to 18. Means सब लोगों को जाके टीचर ने 2 2 2 2 डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया है. Means teacher is distributing 2 2 2 2 to everyone. If teacher came with 16, no doubt average will remain 16. But because teacher came more than 16, that is the reason average has increased. So how much more than 16? When teacher came in, everyone increased by 2. Means how many members are there in the class now? 21 members. Everyone 2 2 2 2 was distributed. Means how much was distributed? So 42 was distributed. Means 42 was extra bought by the teacher. Extra from where? Extra from 16. So 42 plus 16, that is 58, was brought by the teacher. Yes, exactly. Exactly, Paul. Clear? Shall I explain once again, or is it clear to all? Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. If you want once again, I can explain once again. If it is clear, we'll go to the next question. But you have to try orally without using pen, paper, calculator. Clear? Very good. Abhishek, clear. Good. So next question. Next question is this one. See, I have explained the same thing with formula. Let's go. Definitely, Sunny. So with the same formula, we got, with formula we are getting 58 as the average, and logical approach also we are getting 58 as the average. So moving further, next question, try this, the answer for this. A team of 10 employees has the average age as 20 years. Okay. If the team leader is excluded from the group, excluded means we are removing, excluded, बाहर निकाल रहे हैं group से. If the team leader is excluded from the group, the average of remaining 9 employees decreases by 3 months. Average decreases by 3 months means their average became 19 years 9 months. Are you getting me? Find the age of the team leader. The person whom we have removed, what will be his age? वो टीम लीडर जिसको मैंने बाहर निकाला है, जिसको हम लोगों ने बाहर निकाला है, उसकी एज कितनी होगी? Come on, try it without using pen, paper, calculator. Show your honesty. Don't use calculator in your end. And I know that if you will use calculator, it will take more time. Orally you can do more faster. Logical approach. Come on, answer. So I think all of you are from mechanical branch only. If anyone from any other branch, you can mention that. I can send you the group link. If you are from some other branch, Telegram group link. Okay, anyhow. So let us understand. Shall I say with formula or without formula? You tell me that in the chat. You want with formula or without formula? How you want, I'll explain that way. If you want both the ways, I can say both the ways. So Sunny says 30.5 should be the answer. Very good, Sunny. Paul says both the ways. Okay, Paul. Without formula, Vikas says without formula. Good, without formula. So without formula means aptitude approach. So let us understand. Paul, I'll say the formula also. Rajat, I'll say formula method also. But first we'll see without formula. Okay. Now just understand. Once again I'm explaining. Understand. 10 employees are there. Their average is given as 20 years. Okay, means everyone it is equally distributed. 20 20 20 20 is distributed to everyone equally. Now one team leader we are taking out. Consider that team leader, he took his 20 and went out. His share 20 he took and went out. So remaining 9 employees, do you think the average will change? If he takes his 20 and goes out, whatever his share is there, if he takes his 20 and goes out, do you think that remaining 9 employees the average will change? Yes, Chandu, without formula I am saying. Do you think that remaining 9 employees the average will change? No, it won't change. Yes, Paul, no, it won't change. So my dear friend, the remaining 9 employees, it will remain as 20 itself. Okay, but when the team leader went out, the remaining 9 employees, the remaining 9 employees, their average decreased by 3 months. It means that from 9 employees he took 3 months and went away. इसका मतलब ये है कि टीम लीडर 9 एम्प्लॉयज के पास से 3 मंथ लेकर चला गया, 3 महीने लेकर चला गया. So from 9 employees, if he is taking 3 months each, means how much he is taking? 27 months. Are you getting me? Already he is having 20 years and extra 27 months also is taking. 27 means 24 months is 2 years, okay, and further 3 months. So his age was 22 years 3 months. This is the answer. Is it clear? No, not, it is not 22 and half. No, Bajrangi, it is not 22.5 years. No, Abhishek, it is 22 years 3 months. Yes, exactly, Abhishek, exactly 22.25 you can say. Clear? Shall I say with formula or shall I explain once again orally without formula? चलिए आपको फॉर्मूला से बताते हैं. फॉर्मूला, माय डियर फ्रेंड, वी हैव सीन दैट विल यूज दिस, दैट एवरेज इनटू, जस्ट अ मोमेंट, एवरेज इनटू नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन is the total sum. Am I right? So initially what is the average given? Initially the average is given as 20. In that how many members are there? 10 employees are there. So 20 into 10 total is 200. Clear? Am I right? Further, Bajrangi, what happened? Bajrangi, net slow. Okay. Further, the average is decreased by 3 months. Means now what is the average? Now the average is 19 years, 9 months. 9 months convert into years. That is 9 by 12. Am I right? In that, how many members are there? 9 members. So sort this out. If I am not wrong, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. This is 19.75 into 9. Am I right? So 19.75 into 9, sorry, here 1, 19.75 into 9, how much you will get? Definitely you will get this as 177.75. So what is the difference here? How much difference you are getting in between these two? So 177.5 minus 200, if you do, you will be getting 22.25. So the average the 22.25, we are getting this difference because in this total the team leader is not there, and in this total team leader was there. So team leader age is 22.5 years with formula. Is it clear to all? Yes? But my dear friend, I feel that without formula you can do more faster. Because see, you are using calculator and all, and let me tell you that in your GATE exam, the student who have already written the GATE exam, you can ask them, the virtual calculator which is provided to you, it runs very slow. So till the time you use that calculator and reach to the answer, you can do it orally without pen paper calculator. That is the meaning of aptitude. That is the exactly essence, you can say essence of aptitude. Are you getting me? Is it clear? So try it. Starting it may take time, but slowly once you are habituated, you can do it very fast orally without calculator, pen, paper. Yes, exactly, Chaddu, 22.25. Yes, 22.25, 25 here, 25. Difference is 22.25. Okay. So moving further, one more question. But my dear friend, try to understand the difference between two questions. When the teacher was joining the group, the first question when I gave, teacher was joining the group, what I said, 2, 2, 2, 2 is distributed in 21 members. It means teacher also I considered in the calculation. But in this question, when the team leader was leaving, what I said, 3 months was taken from 9 employees. Means here team leader is not there in the calculation. When a person joins the group, that person also we have to consider in the calculation. But when a person leaves, the remaining people we have to do the calculation. Is it clear? So one more question I am giving, try this, answer for this. In a school with 15 teachers, the average monthly salary is 4,500. When 3 teachers left the school, the average monthly salary decreased by 500. Find the average monthly salary of 3 teachers who left the school. कम ऑन ट्राई दिस। 15 टीचर हैं स्कूल में, उनकी एवरेज मंथली सैलरी है 4,500। जब 3 टीचर छोड़ के जाते हैं तो एवरेज मंथली सैलरी 500 कम हो जाती है, मतलब उनकी एवरेज मंथली सैलरी 4,000 हो जाएगी। तो फाइंड द एवरेज मंथली सैलरी ऑफ 3 टीचर्स हु लेफ्ट द स्कूल। जो 3 लोग छोड़ के गए उनकी एवरेज मंथली सैलरी क्या होगी? ट्राई इट फास्ट। चंदू, बजरंगी, अभिषेक, एनीवन, सनी, पॉल, विकास, रजत, anyone who can give the answer. Vikas says that it should be 3,500. Good, Vikas. I cannot say that you are wrong. Whatever answer you are giving, I always says that good. But Vikas, think once again. Sunny says that 3,550. Good, Sunny. But think once again, Vikas and Sunny. इससे पहले कि मैं आपका आंसर लॉक कर दूं, एक बार सोच लीजिए। Okay, so shall I at least Vikas and Sunny tried the answer, very good. Remaining people, come on, revision चल रहा है, तो at least try to give the answer. Wrong or right, that is secondary. Sunny is thinking. Okay, Sunny, think. So shall I say explain without formula or with formula? That you tell me. First, what I should do, with formula or without formula? As you will say. Tell me, with formula, without formula? Vikas, Sunny, Abhishek, find the average monthly salary of 3 teachers they are asking. Abhishek, you are using formula, I know. Okay, so I'll explain without formula first. Okay, first I am explaining without formula. Yes, Sunny, without formula. See, 15 teachers are there. Yes, Abhishek, exactly. Very good, Abhishek, exact answer. Okay, so 15 teachers are there. Okay, their average monthly salary is given as 4,500. Yes, Abhishek, with logic, yes, exactly. So average monthly salary is 4,500. Means everyone it is equally distributed, 4,500 each. Am I right? 4,500 सबको बराबर बटा हुआ है, 4,500 each. Now 3 teachers are living. 3 टीचर छोड़ के जा रहे हैं. Let's say the 3 teachers who are going out, they are taking each 4,500 each. They are taking their individual share 4,500 each, and those 3 teachers went out. So do you think that remaining teachers the average will change? अगर जो 3 टीचर छोड़ के गए हैं वो अपने अपने 4,500 वाले शेयर को सिर्फ लेकर बाहर चले जाते, तो क्या बाकी 12 टीचर का एवरेज चेंज होता? बिल्कुल नहीं. डेफिनेटली इट वोंट चेंज. बाकी 12 टीचर्स, द रिमेनिंग 12 टीचर्स, द एवरेज विल रिमेन सेम. बट व्हेन 3 टीचर्स लेफ्ट द स्कूल, the remaining 12 teachers, their average decreased by 500. Excuse me, their average decreased by 500. मतलब 12 टीचर के पास से 500 ये लोग लेके गए हैं. It means that from 12 teachers they took 500 and they went away. So 12 teachers, from 12 teachers 500 means how much they took? 6,000 they took and went away. 6,000, how many people took? 3 people. So individually they will get in this 6,000 how much share? 2,000 each. Okay, 2,000 each they will be getting. Already they were having 4,500 with them. Now they are getting extra 2,000 also, which they have snatched from the other 12 teachers and went. So total individual total share becomes 6,500. Means their average monthly salary was 6,500. Is it clear, Sunny, Vikas? Shall I say with formula? Shall I repeat? Clear? So my dear friend, no doubt you can practice more number of questions. Anyhow, yes, Sunny, clear. So you can practice more questions. Okay. And anyhow, we are planning this, you know very well, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we will be having this super question, 11 super question from each topic every day. It will be going on. Okay. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, don't miss that super question. super questions. Okay, there will be practicing only the questions. So here let me tell you something about percentage as well, and percentage will continue tomorrow also. We'll have the percentage. Okay, that is the reason I mentioned the topic name as averages and percentage. So percentage, let us start with percentage. So percentage, what is percentage? Anyone who can say me? And what is the use of percentage? First tell me what is percentage and what is the use of percentage. So my dear friend, what is percentage? As the word itself defines, percent. Percent means, per means every, and cent it is not deodorant or spray. Cent it is centum, century, 100. For every 100, 100 में कितना? Out of 100 how much? Very good Vikas. Per 100, per century, every 100. Okay, 100 में कितना? Out of 100 how much? I think Chandu is online, so in Telugu I can say vandalo enta. Vandalo enta. Are you getting me? प्रतिशत, शत में कितना हिंदी में. तो my dear friend, like for example I wrote one exam. Out of 800 I got 756 marks. So out of 800 I am getting 756 marks, no doubt, good. But in the same exam, if I write in 100, how much I'll get? That is called as percentage. Yes, because I know Telugu. Because whatever language you want, which language you can understand, I'll explain you in that language. Because my main motto is that concept should be clear to you, and you should do the answers 100% aptitude, each and every question confidently you should answer and come. You should say that, sir, whatever the world says, my answer is 100% correct. That confidence you should get. भोजपुरी सनी, भोजपुरी का सनी का बताई, रवा रवा की भोजपुरी आवता. Okay, anyhow, language is not important. Important is your understanding. So anyhow, so my dear friend, out of 800, 756 I got. Okay, out of 800, 756. Same exam, if I write in 100, how much I'll get? Okay, that is called as percentage. Vikas, your language is Telugu. Okay, Vikas. Okay, Sunny, thank you, Sunny. Yes, exactly. Chandu is saying that what is the use of percentage? Very good. So out of 800, I got 756 marks. But same exam, if I write in 100, how much I'll get? That is called as percentage. Out of 100, how much? Now, my dear friend, what is the use of percentage? Chandu says that comparison. Very good, Chandu. Like for example, I got out of 800, 756. And Chandu got out of 800, 759. Means Chandu, you got more. So what is the use of percentage? I have done comparison. Chandu, you got more. Why shall I write in percentage? ఎందుకు రాయాలి परसेंटेज लो? ఎందుకు రాయాలి? क्यों लिखना है मुझे परसेंटेज में? हो तो गया कंपैरिजन. So my dear friend, let me tell you, no doubt in first semester here you can compare directly. You can say that Chandu got more, I got less. But in first semester, out of 800 I got 756 marks. But next semester I wrote, in that out of 700 I got 653 marks. Now I am confused. Yes, Sunny. Now I am confused. Out of 700, 653 is more, or out of 800, 756 is more? Means where I have performed better. Because they are standing on different platform. One is standing on 800, another on 700. So percentage, it gives you a platform of 100 where you can compare any two fraction. किसी भी दो फ्रैक्शन को कंपेयर करने के लिए परसेंटेज आपको एक 100 का प्लेटफॉर्म देता है, so that you can compare it. Is it clear? ఏదైనా రెండు ఫ్రాక్షన్ కి కంపేర్ చేయాలంటే పర్సెంటేజ్ మీకు ఒక 100 ది ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారు. ఆ 100 ప్లాట్ఫామ్ లో మనం కంపేర్ చేయొచ్చు. క్లియర్ వికాస్, చందు? ఓకే. So my dear friend, I am explaining the same thing in English here. What is percentage? The word percent can be understood as follows: per cent, for every 100. And what is the use of percentage? Percentage is a concept evolved so that there can be unified platform for comparison of various things, since each value is taken to a common platform of 100. Like for example, small children, you ask 1 by 2 is greater or 1 by 3 is greater. Once you ask and see what they will do. Do you know what they will do? They will take out the LCM for 2 and 3. Ask them half is greater or 1/3 is greater. 4th, 5th standard students, They will take out the LCM of 2 and 3 and they will say this is 6 and this is also 6. Then they will say 2 3s are 6, so 3 1s are 3, and 3 2s are 6, so 2 1s are 2. This is out of 6 3, this is out of 6 2, so this is greater, so half is greater. Yes, exactly Chandu. So just observe what they have done. The different platform of 2 and 3, they brought it to the equal platform of 6. This we call it as platform of LCM. LCM also gives you a platform where you can compare any two fraction. Similarly, percentage also gives you a platform of 100 where you can compare any two fraction. Half if you write in percentage, how much you will get? 50%. 1/3 if you write in percentage, how much you will get? 33 1/3%. Which is more? 50% is more, so half is more. One more platform where we can compare the fraction, we call it as decimal platform. Half in decimal we write it as 0.5. 1/3 in decimal we write it as 0.3 bar. So which is greater? 0.5 is greater, so half is greater. Same like LCM and decimal, percentage gives you a platform of 100 where you can compare any two fraction. This is the main use of percentage. Now my dear friend, whatever exam you write, any competitive exam in India or abroad, they will never ask you the question that convert the fraction into percentage or else convert the percentage into fraction. This much simple question they will never ask, because you know very well fraction, if you have to convert into percentage, very simple, you will multiply by 100. Percentage if you convert into fraction, very simple, you can divide by 100. So this much simple question they will never ask you in any of the competitive exam. But my dear friend, for my general awareness, I am asking you, tell me the answer for this. What is 12.5% of 1800? Come on, fast. 12.5% of 1800. No? Okay, leave it. Out of syllabus question. One more question. What is 50% of 1800? Come on, the answer for this. What is 50% of 1800? Very good. Abhishek deleted as well. Very good, Vikas. Yes, Vikas, exactly, Vikas. 900. Very good. Very good, Bajrangi. Very good, Bajrangi. 900. Yes, Sunny. Very good. Abhishek, very good. Yes. What you understood here. See, when I was asking 12.5% of 1800, you were taking some time, you were using some calculator, or you were taking some time. But as I ask you 50% of 1800, you immediately said me the answer, everyone, that is the correct answer, 900. How is it possible? Because I was expecting that when I ask you 50% of 1800, you'll write like this: 50% means 50 by 100, off means multiplication, 1800, 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 0 cancel, then 18 5s are 90, and this 0, 900. This much time you should take. How you are saying me the answer immediately? How is it possible? Yes, Sunny, exactly. Because here you said immediate answer because you were already knowing in your hard disk it was already stored that 50% means it is half. Anyone I ask me 50%, I should say half of the value. Because you are knowing 50% is half, your answer came immediately fast. If you must be knowing that 12.5% is 1 by 8, here also you can say the answer very fast. It means percentage, if we remember in the form of fraction, we can do the calculation more faster. See, same thing I have mentioned here. It is easy to understand percentage in the form of fractions or decimals. So my dear friend, a small homework you have to do. In GATE also homework? Yes, you have to do homework. What is that homework? Understand. My dear friend, very simple. Take a white paper and write like this: 5%. 5% in fraction, how much it will come? 5 by 100. Means in simplest form, 1 by 20. In decimal, how much it will come? 0.05. Then 10% means 10 by 100. Means simplest form, 1 by 10. Decimal, 0.1. Then 15% means 15 by 100. Means in simplest form, it will come 3 by 20. In decimal, 0.15. Then 20%, 20 by 100 means in fraction, simplest form, 1 by 5. In decimal, 0.2. Then 25% in fraction, 1 by 4. In decimal, 0.25. Then 30% in fraction, it will come 3 by 10. इन डेसिमल 0.3, ऐसे आपको लिखना है. राइट लाइक दिस, परसेंटेज फॉर्म, फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म, डेसिमल, परसेंटेज, फ्रैक्शन, डेसिमल. जस्ट राइट, डोंट बाय हार्ट, सिर्फ लिखना है, रटने की जरूरत नहीं है. बट्टी कोटकंडी, जस्ट रायाली, विकास एंड चंदू, इन तेलुगु आई सेड. ओके, जस्ट राइट दिस every 5 gap, percentage form, fraction form, decimal form. But while writing, don't use calculator. Cancel by your own and write. If you cancel by your own, you will remember these values for the long time. Okay, you'll write, okay, every 5 gap. But my dear friend, let me tell you, in between 30% and 35%, add one more, that is 33 1/3%. Because 33 1/3%, in fraction it will come 1/3, and in decimal it will come 0.3 bar. Consider somewhere in the calculation you are getting 0.3 exact. 0.3 exact means it is 30%. Again, if you are getting in the calculation 0.3 bar means 0.33333 so on, then it is not 30%, it is 33 1/3%. Difference between 0.3 and 0.3 bar. Then you can write 35 40 45 every 5 gap. Again, let me tell you, in between 65% and 70%, add one more, that is 66 2/3%. Because 66 2/3%, in fraction it will come 2/3, and in decimal it will come 0.6 bar. 0.6, 0.6 exact, how much percent it will be? 0.6 exact, anyone who can say 0.6? 0.6 exact, it will be 60%. Very good. 0.6 exact is 60%. Again, if you are getting 0.6 bar means 0.6666 so on, so it is not 60%, it is 66 2/3%. Difference between, yes Sunny, very good Vikas, difference between 0.6 and 0.6 bar. Are you getting me? Clear? Then 70 75 80 85, yes exactly Sunny. So moving further, up till where we have to write this 5 gap, up till where we have to write? So write up till 100%. 100% in fraction, how much it will come? 1/1 means 1. In decimal, how much it will come? 1.0 means 1. In fraction also 1, in decimal also 1. My dear friend, you have to write only up till 100%. Yes, Vikas. You have to write only up till 100%. Yes, Sunny. Write only up till 100%, but let me tell you, your calculation won't come only up till 100%. Your calculation can be more than 100% also. Consider somewhere you require 120%. For example, you require 120%. 100% is 1, 20% is 0.2. Add both of them, how much it will become? 1.2 of the value. That's it. You can add from there. No sir, I want in fraction. Okay. 100% is 1, 20% is 1/5. So 1/5. 1 is 5/5. In that 1/5 more, so 6/5 of the value. Yes, exactly, because clear. So from there you can add and you can see. So same thing I have presented here in the screen. You can just write all these here. I have mentioned only few, but write all these. Okay, you'll write all these. Yes. So percentage will continue tomorrow with more questions. Okay, and what type of concept they give in the percentage, what type of question, will continue tomorrow at the same timing. And my dear friend, whoever have missed some other topic, you can see the videos. Okay, tomorrow I think there will be 2 classes for you all. Okay, so 2 live classes. Whatever you want the detail for my live classes, my Facebook page is there, that is Amulya Ratan Unacademy. You can go through that Facebook page, you will get the complete detail for my classes link. If you are following me on Insta, you can get the link there. And this lead gate, this channel lead gate, if you subscribe this channel, you will be getting the complete technical as well as non-technical Maha revision. And let me tell you, my dear friend, we are planning the special class very soon. Special class means this is free for all. If you want to attend this special class, because in this special class we can practice maximum number of questions. So in every topic, number of questionnaire will be more here. So this is free. Okay, for this just you have to download the Unacademy app. Download the app. Here in the left hand side of the screen you can find my name, that is Amulya Ratan. Okay, just search this profile in GATE ESE part. Okay, go through that my profile and just on the notification over there, notification just on it over there in that profile. So you will be getting the alert whenever my special class are scheduled. Okay, तो जब भी आपको special class attend करना है, ये अमूल्य रतन मेरी profile है, उसको सर्च कर लीजिएगा आप, अनअकैडमी के ऐप डाउनलोड करके गेट ईएससी में आपको ये प्रोफाइल मिल जाएगा, एंड देयर नोटिफिकेशन यू कैन ऑन इट, और नोटिफिकेशन को ऑन कर दीजिए तो आपको सारे जो है मेरे स्पेशल क्लास के भी लिंक मिल जाएंगे, बिकॉज दैट इज ऑल्सो फ्री। एंड लेट मी टेल यू, इफ यू आर टेकिंग प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन, डोंट फॉरगेट टू यूज माई कोड, दैट इज AR10। ओके, जब भी आप प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन ले रहे हैं अनअकैडमी का, तो आप मेरा कोड यूज कीजिए, दैट इज AR10 टू गेट द डिस्काउंट इन योर सब्सक्रिप्शन फीस। और अगर सब्सक्रिप्शन ले रहे हैं तो जल्दी लीजिएगा, क्योंकि 20 तारीख से फीस बढ़ रही है। ओके, और ये कोड जो है आप अपने फ्रेंड से भी शेयर कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज दिस कोड इज वैलिड इन ऑल द कोर्सेज अवेलेबल ऑन अनअकैडमी। अनअकैडमी में जितने कोर्सेज अवेलेबल हैं हर जगह ये कोड वैलिड है, बैंक हो, एसएससी हो, हर जगह आप अपने फ्रेंड से भी शेयर कर सकते हैं, सो दैट दे कैन ऑल्सो गेट द डिस्काउंट। So thank you very much for your active participation. Hope you have enjoyed the session. We'll practice more number of questions on percentages tomorrow and the concept of percentage. Keep practicing. Take care. Bye bye. Good night.